In this video, we will see how to create charts. To create charts, we need to have data, something similar to this. Here we have data month-wise from January to December, temperature and humidity in every month. So now we can create two charts out of this. Under the Insert tab, you will see a group as charts. Now here we have a lot of different charts. Now when I select any of these charts, it's going to give me something like this. You can see here all the charts. These are all the different types of charts you can choose from. And then under each of them you have some different options also. So before we create a chart, we need to select before we create a chart, we need to select the data on which we are going to create the chart. So we select these two columns. So this chart will only include month and temperature. So we can come here, select this, and from here I'm going to select the column chart. We can select this one. This one looks a little better. This one is just a single color. This one has more than one color, so we select this one, or we will select this one and then change the color. Here we have our chart. Now you can see here it shows the months on the x-axis, and on the y-axis it shows you the temperature. Now you can do a lot of editing on this chart, so we'll see one by one what we can do here. The first thing, you can resize the chart something like this depending on the space that you have. Other thing, we can change these titles. We can have something on the x-axis, something on the y-axis. We can have a legend also. So now we'll see. Let's say we are here in the chart, and this is the place that you have. Now you can see here when we are inside the chart, we have two more tabs here, design and format. If I am outside, those tabs disappear. So we are in design. Now here we will select add chart element. So at the moment we are just looking at the chart title. See, it already has it above. When you click come to none, the chart title disappears. So it is this one, we have it. Now here we can come and select that and type something. We can type something like this. Now let's look at some other options here. Like here it says axis titles. You can see here this is the primary axis, horizontal axis, and this is the vertical axis. So we can click this and again come here and write months. Once again we'll come here and select this one, and here we can write you can move this one here. You can even change the font, the size, the color, whatever, however you want to edit or format these, you can do it. Now let's have a look again to some other things. Like here we have the data labels. Now these are the data labels. You want to show value for each bar. Now let us just click this one, more data level options, and this will give you just the value on top of the chart. Okay, what else we have? We can go to the legend also. We can see legend shows you the detail of the chart. At the moment we have just one color, so we have one single specifying that what these blue bars are. So we want the legend to be on the right, and it says temperature, so that is correct. So this is how you create a chart and select different values. Now if you want to change this, this is the series name actually. Okay, if you want to change this, this is our series name here. So what we can do, you can just click this, click select data, and here you have the option of, this is selected, so you have the option of edit. So here you can write temperature and click OK. So you can see here it changed. Other options you have here of, let's say, grid lines. We have these grid lines, we have smaller ones, so you can try different options. Okay, now if you want to change the color of this chart, you can do that from here also. If you want to change the color of individual bar, you can even do this. Like you click here, you can see this one is selected. So you can go to format and let's say something like this. You can you have the option here for chart format chart area. If this is closed, you can get it from here, format chart area. Fill, you can say solid fill and have something gradient or picture. I mean, this depends on what you want to do with it. So this is how you can create a chart. If you want to change this chart with some other chart, you can do that also. Here it says change chart type. So I can come and let's say I select this chart. So I have this. I can select this. I can change the colors once again. So from here you can have different types of charts.